Hello guys, hope you are faring on well. Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you the easiest natural hairstyles that you can do on yourself at any time. The hairstyles are very simple and cheap. You don't need expensive products to apply, and also they don't consume much of your time. Let's continue and you will see all the hairstyles that I'm going to do here. I'm very sure you're going to love them. You're going to like them. I'm very sure you're going to have your favorite hairstyle from these hairstyles that I'm doing. Welcome guys. Let's do others.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you